Okay, in this section I'm going to show you how to fill the machine with your product and basic operation. Okay, so we'll start obviously by removing the lid, and for this demonstration we're using Base Formula's moisturising lotion. So if you're using oil or water in the hopper, then we'd opt for the thinner nozzle. For lotions and creams, then obviously the thicker one should be better. So obviously we've made sure when we put it all together that the machine is nice and clean and ready to accept your product. So pop some product in, put the lid back on just to stop any dust or anything get into the product inside. The next thing we need to do is to prime the machine, which is basically to get rid of all the air that's situated in this nozzle area here, so we can get a nice continuous flow without any air bubbles in. So for that you'll need a nice clean container, and then we start to draw the product through. So once the product's coming through with no spits or spurts and no air bubbles in, then we know it should be ready for decanting into whatever container you need. First of all, I'm going to use a 50ml clear plastic bottle. Clear just so you can see how the product goes into the container nice and easily. Take my container. First we've set the scales and we zeroed it to the container that we're using. So that's about where I want it to be, I think. I'm just going to check on the weight of that. If you notice down at the bottom here, I'm holding this handle in place. I'm just going to adjust the stop. So that's roughly where we are at the minute. So next time I come down, the stop will hit the bottom there and give us an approximation of where we were. Okay, so let's just see what that weighs on the scales now. Okay, so we're coming in at 45.8 grams, and I know from this product that the specific gravity of our moisture lotion is 1 gram to 1 milliliter. So therefore, if we want an accurate dosage of 50 milliliters, we want 50 grams of product. Now it's always worth checking when you're filling product what the specific gravity is, so you can get an accurate fill level on here. So I'm just going to undo the locking nut, screw the bolt further in, so it gets more of a draw when we fill the bottle. That's 0. Okay, so 50.5 grams. It's always worth going a little bit over your anticipated weight. It'll just give you a little bit of buffer. So you can see how easy it is now to fill your product. You've got a little bit of air trapped down there, so a little bit of a tap should get rid of the air bubbles. And then you're ready to put your cap on and your label. That should give you an overview of how to use the filling machine and to adjust it.